Hi, my name is Chinelo Dilimono. I'm the founder and CEO of Finesse International, a finishing school for etiquette, civility, and protocols. We're a service-oriented organization where we provide training, consulting, coaching for individuals, both the young and the old, corporate and faith-based organizations on social and soft skills for life and business interaction. At Finesse, we teach proper protocols that would enhance you personally and professionally to present a better version of yourself. For further information, please visit our website at www.finesseinternational.co.uk, send us an email at hello@finesseinternational.co.uk, or give us a call on +234 701 028 7903. Finesse is our culture and etiquette is our language.